to download Canva image in high quality. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Canva image in high quality. So first of all, just simply open the Canva's official website, and after that just simply log into your account and open the project you want to work on or you are working on. So you can select from the listed project over here, or you can create a new project that you are working on. So for example, you are working on this particular project and you are done editing this one and you want to download it in the highest quality possible. So in order to download this particular image, just simply click on the share option from the right hand side of the screen, and from there just simply click on the download section. Now just select the type of the file size you want to download. So I'm selecting JPG. Now the trick is to download the image in the highest quality possible. You need to have a pro version of the Canva. So I already have the pro one. So in order to increase the quality, in the quality section just toggle this particular bar and keep it to the maximum, and so that the quality of the image gets really high. And after that you can also select the size, file limit and everything, and just simply click on this drop down menu and select how much file you would want to download. So for example, I just want to download the page 1. Click on done, and now just simply click on download, and this will make sure that your picture or this particular image will download in the highest quality possible using Canva. So this is basically how you will be able to download Canva image in high quality. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.